Good evening, student. Today we are going to see one of the best topic of the 11th and 12th mathematics, that is the complex number. Complex number. Okay, now see what is the definition of complex number. A number which occur in the form of x plus yi is called complex number. Complex number, and generally it is denoted by small letter z, that is z is equal to x plus y, where x is element of R and y is also element of R, and I, that is called iota. And what is the value of I? That is the under root minus 1. So this is the basic information about the complex number, student. Now see, any complex number you can denote it by a small letter z. Okay. Now suppose z is equal to x plus yi. This is the complex number. This is the complex number. So x is called the real part of complex number z. In short, you can say I of z, and y is called imaginary part of z, or in short you can say I am of z. Okay, for example, if you see suppose 2 plus 3i, this is the complex number z, so 2 is called real part of 2 plus 3i, and 3 is called imaginary part of 3 plus 2i. Okay, suppose if you say 0 is complex number. Yes, 0 is complex number because you can express 0 in this form, 0 plus 0i. So here x is equal to 0. This is the real part of 0, and y also is equal to 0, that is the imaginary part of 0. See one more example. Suppose if you take 5y, so 5y is a complex number because you can express 5y in this form, 0 plus 5y. So here x is equal to 0, that is the real part of 5y, and what about y? Y is equal to 5, that is the imaginary part of 5y. Okay, so this is the basic information of complex number. Now see, Suppose z is equal to x plus yi. This is complex number. Okay, and if x is equal to 0 in this complex number become z is equal to yi. That is the pure complex number. Pure complex number, or you can say pure imaginary number. Pure imaginary number. If y is equal to 0, then z is equal to x. That is, z become the pure real number. Pure, that is the real number. Real number. Okay, or you can say real number. Now see what is meant by the complex conjugate of complex number. Complex conjugate of complex number, given complex number. Suppose let z is equal to x plus yi. This is the complex number. Then z bar, this is the complex conjugate of given complex number. That is the complex conjugate of z. Okay, for example, suppose z is equal to 2 plus 3i, then its complex conjugate is equal to 2 minus 3i. Suppose z is equal to 3i, then its complex conjugate is equal to minus 3i. Suppose z is equal to 2, that is the real number, then its complex conjugate is 2. Means, suppose if you have any real number, then its complex conjugate is real number itself. Okay, so this is the all about the complex conjugate of complex number. Okay.